Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we'll see review and unboxing the ADIDAS TAEKWONDO. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. We just want to take time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today, we've got a look at the ADIDAS TAEKWONDO. We got this in the US Women's 9, it's the UK Women's 7.5, not really much difference, and it's the US Women's 41 1/3. And we get unboxing to show a very retro sneaker. I was so bad at I'm saying retro stuff that was released in the early 2000s, but here we are, 20 years. I mean, it's been 20 years. These sneakers are retro, I guess, pains me to say, but these first came out in the early 2000s. I do remember these sneakers being worn by martial artists, obviously the name suggests, of Taekwondo. And I mean, do I have to talk about Taekwondo? I don't think, no, it's a very famous Korean martial art. I mean, there's tons of Korean cultures like booming nowadays, so I thought I'd just mention how big Taekwondo is to Korean culture. The impression of Taekwondo was from Tekken 3, I think. It might have been Tekken 1, but it's from the Tekken series, the fighting game series, with the character Horak, who's obviously a Taekwondo martial artist. These sneakers were used by those martial artists, used for kicking. I mean, they're so proficient at kicking, so it's only right that they use some slip-ons. So you can see from here, you can see that it's very easy to put on. But we'll start looking at the sneaker with the outsole. So this outsole is a gum colored, all rubber outsole with some traction right there for you. And then it's not really a midsole. I mean, there's a very slender foam between the outsole and the main sneaker. But it's very much like a ballerina, and that is the look nowadays. These slim ballet kind of looking shoes, slip-ons really. But again, this was designed for Taekwondo. And you have an all leather upper here, slip-on features right there, very sleek in design. It kind of looks like a football boot, and again resonates to these fashion trends at the minute that really use a lot of football styling in their everyday wear, because you're seeing a lot of these terrace sneakers, obviously a lot of Adidas Gazelles, Sambas, and these has kind of taken as a hybrid, because you got, you know, the tabbies, the Margellas tabbies, really on trend in the minute, and or ballet shoes in particular. So this kind of gives that aesthetic, but really this was used for, again, I'm going to say this a lot, it's obviously used for Taekwondo. So if you look at the lateral side, you've got the 3 stripes, the white, medial side, white stripes as well. SM2LS is actually the original name of the sneaker. So since Taekwondo footwear, it's taken the name Taekwondo, the nickname, I guess. But this essentially is really the SM2LS. So you learn something new every day. We look at the heel, you got the Adidas logo right there with the 3 stripe, and then you got this like leather insole also your feet. That rounds off my review. I'm not going to be kicking in these. I'll try them on for you, but that's about as far as we go. I cannot kick that far high. Trust me, I've tried. My body doesn't agree with me. But all that said, let's try these on for you. Roll that footage and we try these on. comes to the fit, guys, these are a perfect fit. This is a UK size 7.5. Typically for Adidas, I wear UK size 8, but because it's kind of snug, I feel like that's the right fit for me. These look really dope on, very easy to put on as well. Am I going to be trying, kicking? Maybe, we'll see. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.